Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Perkenalkan, saya Tony Cikalumi, dosen program studi pendidikan bahasa Inggris, Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan, Universitas Katolik Widya Mandira Kupang. Video ini akan menampilkan proses pembelajaran mata kuliah Introduction to Literature, mata kuliah wajib 2 SKS bagi mahasiswa semester 2. Materi yang ditampilkan merupakan pertemuan ke-13 dengan topik Introduction to Drama and Monologue. Pada pertemuan ini, mahasiswa diharapkan mampu memahami perbedaan antara dialog dan monolog, mengidentifikasi unsur-unsur penampilan monolog yang baik, serta mampu menyusun dan menampilkan monolog singkat dengan perjalanan emosi yang jelas. Pembelajaran dilaksanakan secara tatap muka dengan pendekatan aktif dan berpusat pada mahasiswa. Metode yang digunakan meliputi guided review, kemudian pengamatan video, diskusi pasangan dan kelas, latihan terbimbing, praktek individu, peer feedback, dan refleksi. Video pembelajaran yang digunakan berupa puisi, video monolog, slide presentasi, worksheet, dan guided prompts. Pembelajaran dimulai dengan melihat kembali simbolisme melalui perbedaan antara makna langsung dan makna langsung atau literal dan makna tidak langsung atau tersembunyi. Pemahaman tersebut dihubungkan dengan contoh dan 2 puisi yang telah dipelajari pada pertemuan sebelumnya. Kemudian diarahkan menuju pembelajaran drama dan monolog. Mahasiswa selanjutnya mengamati sebuah video monolog yang berfokus pada penampilan tokoh, ekspresi wajah, suara, dan intonasi, serta keseluruhan penampilan. Hasil pengamatan dituliskan dalam worksheet, dibahas bersama pasangan, kemudian dibagikan melalui diskusi kelas. Setelah itu, mahasiswa mempelajari perbedaan dialog dan monolog, karakteristik monolog yang baik, serta pentingnya emotional journey. Mahasiswa mengikuti latihan membaca bersama, mempraktikkan monolog secara terbimbing, dan tampil secara individu. Pada kegiatan penerapan, mahasiswa diberikan sebuah situasi dan perjalanan emosi. Dengan bantuan guided prompts, mereka menyusun monolog singkat secara mandiri. Beberapa mahasiswa kemudian menampilkan monolognya di depan kelas dan memperoleh umpan balik dari teman. Penilaian formatif dilakukan melalui observasi keterlibatan mahasiswa, hasil worksheet, penyusunan dan penampilan monolog, peer feedback, dan refleksi. Ketercapaian pembelajaran dilihat dari kemampuan mahasiswa mengidentifikasi unsur-unsur monolog, membangun perjalanan emosi, serta menampilkan monolog menggunakan ekspresi, wajah, suara, dan intonasi yang sesuai. Pembelajaran diakhiri dengan refleksi bersama, penguatan materi, dan pengumpulan worksheet. Berikut kita simak cuplikan videonya.
A little bit stressful, but this is we end the semester, so excited. Okay. Wow.
What I'm going to show you is that I will revisit back what we have discussed last week, because I think that is important before you start to learn the next topic. Jadi kita revisit back atau review back dulu tentang poetry. What is symbolism actually?
Representing of the concept. Rain.
Very good. Rain. Masih ya? Rain.
It is raining in my heart.
Yeah, it is raining in my heart. Yeah, okay. So the object is rain and also heart. So what it represent? What rain and heart represent? The rain is representing apa? Rain.
Water.
The weather, okay. The weather, which is okay. Alright. Rain is a special of weather. But is it about weather?
No. The water is the literally.
Oh, the sentence is the weather is literal meaning. So kita mau mencari apa sebenarnya? Yes, hidden atau indirect meaning. So apa? Hidden meaning dari raining. Okay, we go back to the 2 poems.
The first one, let me reference
Okay. feels really important. Okay, so the basic one. Like we have very great moments with someone else. That moment becomes very important to us, even though that person is not with us. It's not with us anymore. It's not with us anymore. Oh, so the person is not with you anymore? Oh, okay. Okay, you're spending a great time together, and then it becomes a really important moment. But now, he's not there anymore. He's not with you.
And when we like someone there never not have a courage to confess.
To someone, yeah, okay.
Missing someone and want to be your
Are you missing someone?
Yes.
No, it is, I think it is relatable, yeah, that's really true. So actually this quote is stated like, I like him, I like this person. Ya kan? Ya, overall ya, dari keseluruhan ceritanya mau menggambarkan bahwa, oke, I like him. Tapi tidak pernah ada kata like di situ. Ya kan? So, ya, tapi nanti kita bisa akhirnya menangkap bahwa, oh,
And in the last
something.
no is setting for person difficult part.
Oh, yeah.
And you see that for a second it's already
To make it very difficult. Well, the second, apakah tone-nya sama? Beda.
It's lonely.
Lonelier, yeah? But lonely, who is lonely? We already know meanings, we already learn emotion from poetry through words. Yeah? Hari ini, the main topic is that we learn emotion through our action. Which is called, the next type of literature is drama. Drama tidak bisa hanya sekedar tulis dan dibaca. Drama needs to be performed. Drama needs to be heard. Drama needs to be seen. Drama needs to be felt. And for this one, I will give you very brief explanation. I just want you to listen, to watch one of the moments, and then you will stand next to you or beside me. Fokus ke what does an actor look like? Itu kan the expression, and then the second is the facial expression, and then the voice and intonation. Kemudian emosinya apakah terlihat atau tidak. Sama terakhir adalah obrolan. Nah, ya, obrolan keseluruhannya seperti itu. Nanti you will do it. I think 5 minutes only. Bisa? Berapa menit kita lakukan? 5 minutes. Jadi kita mulai apa saja? Melihat teksnya, kalau kalian tidak mengerti, ya, so are you ready for the worksheet? So you with the partner sitting beside you, and then you will discuss the questions. 5 minutes only, and then you ask. Which group of this or this? Inside.
So for the first questions, what does the actor look like? Nervous and restless.
And then next is
Waiting for wearing wedding dress. Wedding.
is he wearing dress?
No.
Dress?
What do you say?
He's dressed in a suit. For a suit, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wedding suit. Waiting for his.
What does he look like? Yeah, they are not the look. This first was actually relate when you watch or enjoy drama for the very first time. You mostly focus on the look. Aku selalu bukan dari ceritanya tapi dari Are you the one?
his eyes become white when he's chaos.
That's the clue. That's the point. Biasanya we also show it in
His smile when he left. His smile when he excited.
smile face.
Sweat.
Yeah,
When the bridge is
the face with the body.
at the bride. He's so excited and smile. That's right.
When the bride
He's with these everywhere. He thinks the bride. Right.
Mama, seperti kamu fix betul? With this one, the facial expression, for example, the eyes wide open. Yeah, facial expression. And then voice-nya bagaimana?
Say speaking of past tense.
Speech much when he's
Ada pas,
ada high tone, soft voice.
ada seperti berteriak sedikit ya.
Ya.
Kayaknya sama kemarin. Apakah voice dari intonation berpengaruh?
Ya.
Right?
So it's representing the feelings.
Emotion.
Emotion, ya. Kita bilang suara saja kayak kali kita bisa berubah. Emotion. Nah ini guys, unik di antara everybody David apakah the group only remain on the same emotion for the rest of the group, or the group only express one kind of emotion in the video? What do you think?
It's many emotions.
Many emotion, ya, emosi apa saja yang kalian tangkap? Misalnya di awal seperti apa, and then finally the girls
is excited.
one by one, dari sebelah sini, boleh? Anxiety, oke, tadi kan? At the first one is
Excited.
So we go back to the situation. At first, what is happening? At first, what is happening? Why does he panic?
His wife becomes so up matanya.
That's the practice.
Did not so up.
Doesn't show up.
She's not calling.
She's not calling. Very good.
That's not-
He is waiting for.
Yeah, it's good.
Right. So what emotion should we expect?
Overthinking.
Overthinking.
Oh.
And then apa yang agak perubahan emosi apa yang dia
Don't think about it.
No, dari anxiety, and then she's into relief when someone say that her brother, his brother will come.
oke, relief ya, relief karena his bride is coming. Tapi sebelum itu ada satu emosi. He is not panic, he is thinking about something.
Reflection, refleksi.
Ini kabar. Kalau misalnya kita thinking about tadi tadi emosi apa ya?
Happy.
Excited.
Waktu belum ya? Tapi kalau kita thinking about tadi I never walk out the mirror. Terus dia stop. Karena itu kan apa? Takut, ya kan? Fear. Fear about fear that he couldn't set her free, make her free, or making her stop and think, ya kan? Jadi dia orang itu kan and now stop to ya, I think that is not the point. But actually, kalau dari itu ya no, no.
No, because we don't see the brick right.
Oh, you didn't.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't go see the berarti kalau jadi kan harus lihat calon suami perempuan itu tahu dia layak apa So the emotion is not remain at the same point or the same level, right? It continues, it develops, it changes based on the situation. That also happens in drama. Drama tidak bisa stop on only one emotion. Kalau kalian bayangkan bahwa main drama, and then the only emotion is anger, or the whole drama. Maybe the first will be exciting, something after, maybe in the middle, and then I think for the rest of the drama, we will get can he show something besides angry? Ya kan? Pasti, besides madness. And then the last one, the whole performance bagaimana? So is enough? Yes? Very nice? Maksudnya? Yeah. Do you like the room? Do you like the man perform? Actually, can you do that?
Not yet. Or not yet. Not yet.
Kenapa bisa? Kenapa kalian bisa juga mengatakan ini? Karena you also have those kind of emotions. Kalian pernah nervous, pernah tense, pernah hopeful, pernah stressful, apalagi sekarang I know this week. Pernah gitu, oke? Ya, jadi tidak mungkin kalau you also act like that. The only issue is that can you do that in front of people. Kalau sendiri bisa, kalau beberapa orang lain bagaimana? Nah itu salah satu challenge kalau you want to do that. You're not performing this side in front of yourself, atau belajar need to perform in front of all. Gitu ya? So next, okay? So do you enjoy this?
Yes.
But we are not at the I invite this into several emotions. You see? Concern, worry, and fear, and pain, and this one is also. So this called emotional journey. Emotional
Journey.
Apa?
Emotional journey.
Okay. Emotional changes based on the situation. Satu emosi dalam satu pertunjukan. You need to explore emotion. Konfliknya ada tidak diceritakan?
Ada.
Tidak ada.
When the room is open.
Man versus him? Bukan dari karakternya, tapi dengan dirinya. Ada konflik. Man versus himself, man versus society. Ya kan? Kalian tidak pernah berkonflik dengan diri sendiri.
Every single night.
Every single time.
Every single day. And every single time I think about it.
Skip ya, oke. Dari video tadi adalah sebuah drama tapi khusus untuk yang namanya monolog. Why? Menurutku kenapa? Why? Karena monolog. Saya tidak ada.
Because they have a person talking alone.
Monolog kita sebut monolog, bukan dialog. Monolog beda. So tadi video tadi itu adalah salah satu contoh dari monolog. Kenapa? Karena only one person speaking. Ya, sesi monolog. Itu biasa dalam drama. Jadi jangan kalau one person berkata to stand up in front of you on the stage you can talk. He is expressing himself. He is expressing his mind. Yeah, the story based on his point of view. Monolog and dialogue. Mostly yang perbedaan paling penting adalah dialogue includes two or speakers. Monolog tadi dialogue is all the conversations between them. They're also interaction. Yeah, and then they exchange ideas and then they develop. Kalau misalnya seseorang menampilkan monolog, let's say in front of you, what should be expressed? How should it be expressed? Expression. Tersampaikan kepada penonton.
This is English class.
Oh, I understand first part.
Yes. Not getting funny.
You're running out of time.
I think emotion is really important for monologue because long speech and not have emotional in the speech, everyone cannot or audience cannot feel about emotion about the character saying maybe the angry or feeling loneliness or hopeful
Yes.
or
Yes, very good. Did you have something in mind?
Conflict.
Okay, what was it?
Because conflict is when all the characters and all the problems gather in one moment.
Yes.
That become the main conflict that make the monologue interesting.
Okay, so conflict is one of interesting. You agree with that? No, because
Why?
because when you say drama wants to have a conflict, right? Yes.
what I think for audience can feel the character feeling. Yes, I think it's emotional expression is really important inside.
So how did they gonna represent their feelings if there is no conflict inside them?
Yes, I know that, but if you watch a drama movie, every drama has a conflict, right? So,
Yeah.
tapi kalau drama itu kan ada ekspresi, ya sama saja. Tidak ada punya konflik. So, jadi kan itu juga kunci. Memang setiap drama punya konflik, tapi bagaimana konflik tersebut bisa tersampaikan itu harus ada ekspresi emosional.
So how do the actor express his feelings? Is so when they don't feel anything, they just express emotions. When there is no conflict, they just said like nothing happened, nothing is sad, not very happy, no conflict at all. That's a great expression.
Two important points. Thank you. Very good. Yeah, we got a lot of discussion here. So conflict must be there, of course. No drama. Misalnya no conflict, ya kan? Semua drama pasti ada conflict. Okay, we will do it together. No, this we are running out of time. But I think this is more than this. So. 3, 2, 1.
And honestly, I'm still very far.
Surprise, nervous, happy. KPI to the final event. Untuk memudahkan kalian, Miss kasih prompt di awal ya. Jadi kalian cuma kalau merumuskan menyambung di kalimat. Right now, I'm sitting outside my classroom and apa sesuai kalian. Kemudian videonya I give ternyata I give. Imagine. Probably
But I'm sitting inside the class and keep thinking about
the gestures, maybe the facial expressions, the voice, kita coba kita tanya. Oh, just come here. Well, in monologue, maybe that you need not really pay attention to, you need to again show the emotion, not just by words, but by expression. Expression. Kita belum ngomong gesture juga, kita belum ngomong body language. They are also important. Dan satu lagi, Miss menyarankan kalian untuk pay attention also to the emotional experience. Karena beberapa part means its own emotion. Misal, kalau the very last one, like the word, we do a body action. What do you think about monologue? What did you learn about monologue?
A person will express their emotions with talking.
Okay, a long speech. Okay, very good.
Oh,
What do you think? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, black, white, green, gold, red, white. Which one is Nadia? The hardest. The easiest and then the hardest one. The first? No, the easiest and then the hardest. The easiest is yellow. Yellow. Happy, cheerful, optimistic.
black.
Easy. Hardest.
me for now, brown. I think brown.
No, I am worried about that.
I'm just taking some assignments.
It is wrong.
Yeah. Or not.
The hardest one. The hardest, maybe?
Pink. Yeah. How can I express if I don't have someone to yeah.
Dari semua ini kita pelajari adalah I need to do open expression. No matter what expression you have, no matter what you have, I hope that you are free to expression. Ya, teman-teman bisa? Ya, coba lagi teman. Express.